Hello everyone, welcome to elliottwaveforecast.com YouTube channel. Today is October the 4th and today's chart of the day is GDX. This is gold miners ETF. 60 minutes time frame. We can see we ended with 2 here. Now finishing with 3 as an impulsive structure at the lows, and now looking for the rally in the wave 4 to fail and extend lower again within the wave 5 to the downside, as long as this invalidation level, this pivot is holding here. So I think it's a pretty straightforward, basically shorter cycle still calling for more downside, and the fact that the right side is red, that means we have a bearish sequence. Now we zoom out now in the daily time frame, and let's put down some of the count here. This is $30.14, which is over here, right? So this is with 3 here, and that means this is out with 1 over here. We can see from the peak here, we do have a low sequence, right? A low structure here, and depending whether what your view is towards this low 2022, if you believe this is going to be holding, then we can consider this pullback to be some sort of like an ABC, right? An ABC. So from here we have this A, B, and then now in the select. Now if we do the extension analysis using the Fibonacci, right? Now corrective structure usually ends somewhere between 100% to 161.8%, right? Now this is the previous low over here, right? And there is an overlap between the 100% and the 161.8 versus the low in the September 2022, right? So if we think that it is going to hold, then I think this is going to be the potential sort of support zone here from the GDX here, right? So between the low here around 21.5 and 25.3, which is the 100% extension of this, right? This is the 100% extension of this. Now I think another possible structure here that I can think about is, I think you can call this actually as an ABC, like a 3-way down. Now if you can call this as a 3-way down, then technically this is actually a W here, right? This is a W, and this is an X, and then you don't need to have a 5-way down in the Y, so this could be actually just an ABC, and then we'll finish once it hits this area here. So in other words, we do need to be careful, because I think there is really indeed a possibility we can start turning higher quite a lot from this area. Now if you're just talking about the shorter cycle, then yes, I think in general we can see more downside until it hits minimum 25.3 or even lower, right? Between 25.3 and this 21.7, technically speaking. But I think if you look at it from the perspective of the higher time frame, then there's a possibility we can get a strong support here. Now you can also mention the ABC here. The 100% is going to be 24.6, so I think you can expect somewhere around 24.6 here, all the way down to this 1.618, 21.3. I'm going to use another color as a potential support here for the GDX, right? So the red box here is based on the this ABC internal extension, while the blue box is based on the WXY external extension. Okay, so I think we can say somewhere around 21.3, 24. No, I think no, somewhere around 21.5 and 24.6 will be a potential support for the GDX, in which we can start to see a bigger rally from here. Okay, so shorter cycle though, expect more downside still, and any rally to still continue to fail in 3 swing or 7 swing for the downside. Okay, so if you want to get more updates on GDX or any other stocks, ETF, Forex, commodities, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial. The link is in the description of the video. So see you all again next time, and have a nice day everyone.